Hi guys, it's me, Galaxy, the one and only. No, not the one and only. There's loads of Galaxy. But yeah, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shadow. First you need to get this canvas, 16:9, okay? Just 16:9. This is 16:9, okay? Then go from photos. I deleted the photo I was going to use. So let me go to Gacha Life and retake the screenshot. Or I could just use a different screenshot. I'll just change her about a bit. Maybe that. Okay, just make the background white. Screenshot. Now you need to crop this screenshot like this. Save it to photos, and it should be available for you to use on canvas. So add a canvas / this photo that you're going to use. Delete this. Now duplicate the layer. Move that to 1. Now go for effects. Change drawing color. This needs to be fully black. Wait, magical wand. Erase. There. Okay, now as you can see, this has become a shadow. So go for transformation and look at that. There you have it, a shadow. Transform that shadow however you want it to be. It just has to be in the shape for a good shadow. Or you could just do perspective form and make it a floor one. Like how to make it for the floor is a bit complicated too. So it might take me a while to do this. Great, I thought I would just have to spend Now why don't you look at that? It's on the floor. Now make it so that you can't really it's not really that bright. It could be bright, but you just need it so that nobody can really see this. See, now that looks like a real shadow. Now I would save this as transparent PNG. Then now that image is saved, I would delete this. Now add and import picture, the shadow picture that I made. For the shadow, go to magic wand all the way around again. Eraser. Now remove selection area and save layer as transparent PNG. Now you can use this camera for editing. First thing you have to do now Just delete all these past few videos that you have been making of this. And yeah, that's it, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video.